In 2024, the world awoke to a shock. A drone submarine, a diabolical feat of engineering, on a suicide mission across the Atlantic. No pilot, no captain, just code and a cargo that was the largest in history. But the truth, concealed by the authorities, was far more than just a smuggling operation. What happened that night was beyond anyone's expectations. Somewhere deep in the Colombian Amazon, where neither sunlight nor satellites could reach, a workshop unlike anything you've ever seen was operating. It was 2023, and the engineers weren't from NASA. They were an elite group recruited by cartels from Eastern Europe. Their mission? To build the Silent Beast, a fully autonomous submarine, 22 meters long, capable of diving to a depth of 30 meters, powered by electric motors that produced neither sound nor heat. The hidden hero of the story was a former German mechanical engineer named Klaus, in his 50s, who was lured with $1 million to design the autonomous navigation system for this elusive creature. The cargo was terrifying: 8 tons of contraband, destined for the heart of Europe, from the coast of Guayaquil. Imagine that. This submarine didn't require a captain to risk his life. It was guided by encrypted satellites from an operations room in another country altogether. The journey began. The suicide submarine. It traveled 5,000 nautical miles undetected by a single radar. It glided beneath American and French warships like a common shark. The cartels were celebrating, and billions were on the horizon. But, and here's the lesson, no matter how powerful technology, it remains hostage to the trivial human error. In the middle of the Atlantic, the unthinkable happened. A simple software glitch in the GPS system caused the submarine to surface for just 10 minutes to correct its course. At that precise moment, a very small fishing boat and a curious fisherman spotted a strange metallic object shining in the moonlight. Before I continue, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell icon so we can continue. The fisherman didn't initially alert the police. Instead, he tried to approach, thinking it was a lost container. But as soon as he got close, the submarine sent a coded distress signal to the operations room, activating its partial self-destruct system. International authorities picked up the signal, and within hours, P-3 aircraft had surrounded it. The Orion submarine, which cost $20 million to build and was carrying billions, sank not because of intelligence brilliance, but because of outdated software code and a fisherman looking for his livelihood in the wrong place at the wrong time. The scene was surreal. An empty submarine, yet brimming with secrets that revealed a transcontinental technological collaboration between organized crime gangs and international software experts. This operation wasn't just a smuggling attempt. It heralded the beginning of a new era of underwater digital warfare. Unmanned submarines have become the real nightmare threatening ocean security, as it's difficult to monitor a machine that is fearless, tireless, and leaves no trace. That's our story for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like more stories like this, don't miss this video. You'll love its story. Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. I'm Gynex. Goodbye. See you in the next video.